All right. Why did I go with the Ison Live Pet Care Replacement Air Filter? There's a couple reasons. First of all, I'm just going to be completely blatant with this. I bought it because everyone else is buying it. This is being highly sold. Over 1,000 a month are buying it. Hundreds of 4.5 to 5 star reviews. Those people can't be wrong. But if you want a legit air filter for like that's gonna work for like pets and stuff like that, real like, and you really need to clean that air, you need HEPA quality. This is a HEPA filtration air filter. Also has activated carbon as well. This thing's amazing. You can see on the back, you have that kind of honeycomb vibe. On the front, you've got that yellow. It's very clear on how to insert it with the airflow. I've always used just crappy regular air filters in the past. And after getting this, I couldn't believe like how much different this one even just feels. It feels different than the other ones I've been using. Other ones are just so flimsy. This is going to be much more healthy. And straight up, dude, they're trying to destroy us, dude. Take your air back.